The truck driver was looking down on his phone and completely missed the fact that he had a red. Thankfully, everyone was okay and the truck driver did admit fault. The damages came out to over $8,000. For some reason, the van driver cut off the camera, brake checked him, and then tried to box him in unsuccessfully. Thanks to dashcam footage, the van driver was found at complete fault.
Get her, boy, get her! Get her!
The BMW driver behind the camera was tailgating non-stop. As soon as she saw an opening, she floored it in front of an officer and gets pulled over. Ironic that a reckless speed up only resulted in a delay. The camera admits he was going too fast on an icy road, resulting in the spin out and then a crash. His car was totaled unfortunately, but thankfully, and most importantly, there were no injuries.
Oh my god! Are you okay?
Yeah.
The driver behind the camera wasn't expecting the sudden stop due to the camera stopping at the crosswalk. The driver that hit the camera was polite and apologetic.
Free Pluto TV never asks for a credit card. You don't even need to sign up to watch free. Pluto TV is the easy and completely legal way to watch your favorite TV shows and hit movies for free. It's an adjective down the Hit movies.
The driver barely dodged the stalled vehicle, causing him to panic swerve, resulting in a spin out and a four-way car collision. The bus driver forces his way into the lane, sideswiping the camera. There were minor damages to the camera's car, but the bus paid for all the damages. This clip is a great example as to why one should merge one lane at a time. The sedan driver merged across multiple at once, resulting in him losing control and then crashing. The driver in the next lane hydroplaned and nearly collided with the camera. Thankfully, the camera was alert, braked, and stopped in time. Please drive with extra caution when it's raining and check your tire treads. Bald tires are a big cause of losing control. The Ram driver gets mad at being honked at due to failing to yield at the light. The camera stayed in, with his windows rolled up, and doesn't engage, besides pointing at his dash cam, which is when the truck driver decides to retreat. The driver that caused the crash was trying to evade police, but crashed in the process. It's never worth it trying to evade arrest. It puts the driver and other lives in danger. The camera honked at the driver that cut him off, which somehow really struck a nerve with the Subaru driver. Despite the Subaru driver circling back to share a piece of his mind, the camera does the right thing by not engaging. The truck driver was clearly distracted as he made no effort to stop and rammed into the car ahead of him. Always stay alert behind the wheel. The driver was going way above the speed limit, weaving in between cars, and gets promptly pulled over by the karma cop. So in this case, fault was split between the pickup truck driver and the cyclist. Police were thankful that there was an unbiased witness, which happened to be the dashcam footage.
Only at the big lot at White Plains Chrysler.
Hey, it's Carl Banks for Kia. You know, I've been telling you how much I love driving my Kia Sorento. But it's not just that the Sorento...
Who do you think will be found at fault here? Do you think the sedan driver would be at fault or the SUV driver? Let me know what you think down below.